Hey guys, thank you for tuning into another video. So today we're gonna jump right into the video because we're doing another wholesale review. I know you guys really enjoy these type of videos because it gives you the opportunity to see what these companies have to offer before you go forward with spending your money with them. And I like doing them because I'm curious too. I have my own business, and so I'm always looking for new suppliers and vendors to work with. So today we're gonna jump right into it because today is a pretty popular company. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of. I have heard of them, but I never ordered from them. But the company is Lovely Wholesale, and they did send over quite a few things in which we are going to go ahead and unbox and see what they look like. I don't even remember honestly what I ordered. I ordered this before Christmas. And so I just got back in town. I was like, okay, I gotta do this video. So honestly, I didn't open anything. I waited because I wanted to do it on camera and get my actual natural reaction for you guys. But I don't even remember what I ordered. So it's gonna be interesting for both of us. So stay tuned. We're gonna jump right into the video. Okay, so again, this is what they sent over. A nice fluffy package, which I love. I will be trying on the things for you guys throughout the video. So I'll have it set up to where you can see me looking and trying on the things at the same time. So let me just, I don't know where my scissors are. I really don't feel like going to go find any, so we're just gonna rip this open. We're gonna start pulling stuff out because, like I said, I don't even remember what I ordered, but I'll put a picture up as well as what it looks like on the website so you can see the comparison. I remember this is really cute. So this is how it comes to you. It has their lovely wholesale packaging. These little bags are really cute. I'm thinking about getting these type of bags for my own personal business. I really like this way you put your logo on them, like the little plastic. But it's a velour 2-piece set, and I remember asking for this, and I'm gonna put the picture up of what it looks like on their website. The material is really nice so far. I haven't pulled anything. It doesn't have a weird smell at all. And it's like a scrunched up velour suit. Now I ordered everything in a medium like I always do because I like to see how things actually compare. So here is the jacket. So I'm actually very impressed with the quality of this. So this is what the jacket looks like. So it's like a little scrunchy, a ruched, I guess that's the proper term, velour tracksuit. It doesn't have any labels in it, so I'm assuming for those who may want to put labels in their clothing, this does not have any labels in it. And then these are the pants, and they are also like the ruched. They're ruched on the top and ruched or scrunchy, whatever you want to call them, all the way out the bottom. These are super long, which I like because I have long legs, so I'm actually excited to try this on. So this is what it looks like. Really nice material for this. Again, no type of labels in here, so if you want to put your own label you can. It does have the sizing on there for you, so it'll tell you what the material and where it's made and all that stuff. Alright, so as you guys can see, I did an outfit change. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this outfit on throughout the rest of the video while I continue to show you guys what we got. So the next piece that I got, I'm gonna pull out some more color. What is this? Again, it comes nicely packaged in their bags. And let's see what this is because I don't have an idea. Oh, this is a trench coat. Oh, yes. I was hoping to get this. So this is the trench coat that I ordered. And again, I'm going to put a picture up here for you guys. This is what it looks like. Super long. And it's like a color block. Now this looks big too. It looks really big. That's the only thing, and I'm pretty sure I requested a medium and everything. Let me see if I can find the size on here. So yeah, this is the size medium, and I'm gonna try it on. Maybe it's just, and I know I like my trench coats a little bit oversized, just a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. I'm just gonna try it on. Actually, so it's not that bad. It's not as big as I thought it would be. I'll give you guys a better full shot of it. And it does come with these little strips that you could put in right here. And it has like little slots for it. So I could put gets to shrink it up a little bit. And you could put it in there like that. kind of give it that tie effect. So you got those. It comes with 2 of those, and then it also comes with a band to put in the waist area. To tie it up, which it does have loops for in here, so that's really cute. This is actually really cute. It's not, like I said, it's not as big as I thought it was. It looked bigger. Now it is a very lightweight material, super lightweight. So moving right along, we still have some more pieces. There is this big black piece in here. Let's see what this is. Oh, I know what this is. So I ordered another jacket. So I've been seeing this trend. If you guys haven't been seeing us, these varsity jackets, and I really wanted one. I ordered one from a different company, but I don't like it because it feels cheap. And oh, this is a set. This is an outfit. It's 2 pieces. So this is a varsity jacket and pants. So it's a whole set. So this is what the varsity jacket looks like. I ordered it in black. So this is what it is, and it's kind of like a cropped jacket. So this one so far already is better than the other one, because the other one was like super cheaply made, and I don't like it at all. I should return it, but I don't even have the time to even fool with that. But this one's really nice. It is black. It is well constructed. Again, no labels, so if you want to throw your own labels in there, you could do so. It's not light. It's light, but it's not heavy. So definitely something you may have to layer on depending where you live. Now the pants, these are the bottoms that go with it. Honestly, I'm not a fan of pants that look that way when you can put them together. I don't know, it just feels like they look bulky. But they are a nice material. It does have the detail at the bottom to match the jacket. It's lightweight, nicely made. It's about 2 layers of material, and it does have pockets. So we're gonna keep moving because we have a couple more pieces to go through. Actually literally 2 more pieces to unbox. So I'm gonna pull the next one out, which is like some sort of denim. This is another pack they put in here. It is a I remember this is a denim jacket. This is something I've seen these around. I was like, you know what, these are really cute. And this is what the denim jacket is. It's one with the puffered sleeves. I don't know if you guys have seen the puffered sleeve denim jacket. So this is what it looks like. And these are the puff sleeves that it comes with. This is cute. I've always kind of wanted one of these, like always, and I never got one. This is what it looks like. Now this denim is a very lightweight denim. It's not super heavy like a real heavy denim jacket, which again I appreciate because of where I live. I don't need anything that's like super heavy. The only thing, these little things are like flying, because it has like little slits in it, so these little things are like flying. No biggie. But again, it is very lightweight for denim in my opinion, because most of them is really heavy, but this is really light. So I'm just gonna throw this on right over this jacket. Actually, no, I'm not. Well, let's see if it does it. Let's see how it. No, I'm gonna take this off. So let me go put this jacket on so I can show you guys. I'll be right back. All right, so I threw the jacket on, just threw a little t-shirt underneath, so don't mind that. But this is what the jacket looks like. This is the little puff that it has. Really cute. I really like this a lot. Puff it out a little bit, but this is really cute. Again, it is very lightweight, which I don't mind because again of where I live. This is perfect. I can wear this in the springtime, throw it over a cute pair, you know, a little cute outfit, and it's still good without being overly too heavy. So this is definitely more of a springtime jacket for me. And then again, it is cropped. That's what it looks like. This is really cute. I'm definitely going to be wearing this spring. Super cute. I've always wanted one of these type of jackets with a puffer sleeve. I don't know why. These are so cute to me. But yeah, she's definitely probably my favorite piece so far. I love this. This is really cute. So we are down to the last thing, and this is bright pink. I don't even know what this is because I don't even like bright pink. But let's see what I picked out, because I can't remember what I picked out that was bright pink. But let's see. It has some words on it. That's what it looks like. Some kind of word. It's probably a sweatshirt. I remember looking at a sweatshirt. Oh yeah. So this is a sweatshirt. It's in a medium. and it's just a pink sweatshirt that says stay humble, hustle hard. Oh yeah, I remember this. This is cute. The material is a little lightweight for my liking. It's a very light, like a lightweight cotton, which for me, for my sweatshirts, I like thick sweatshirts. But again, this is something I could probably layer this under this. I could definitely get away with this for like a springtime. Something just lightweight to throw on. Nothing fancy about it, honestly. It's simply just a sweatshirt with some print on it. Okay, so I put the sweater on, and this is pretty much what it looks like. It fits. I don't know why I think everything looks so big, but it fits perfectly. That's what it looks like. I just have it on with some of my sweatpants. It's nice and long, which I appreciate. It is warm. It's like that fuzzy stuff, like not like the stuff that keeps you warm inside of a sweatshirt. It has that, but it's really light, which again, it's good for those not so cold days where I just need to throw something on. This is really cute. I would wear this. So you guys, that is everything that I was sent over from Lovely Wholesale. I hope that helped you kind of get an idea of what kind of things that they sell. If you want to order from them, I do have a link down below in which you can click on, and it'll take you right over to their website. If you guys enjoy these videos, definitely make sure to give me a thumbs up. I enjoy making them, so I hope you guys are enjoying watching them. If you have any recommendations or you have any questions on what type of videos you want to see in the future, definitely drop it down below. I am always looking for new content to put out for you guys. So yeah, so I am gonna go clean up this mess now because I have clothes everywhere, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.